Welcome to Unboxing Solutions, where we unwrap more than packages, we unwrap possibility. Every tool you see is chosen with care, purpose, and real-life use in mind. If what you create deserves to be opened, explored, and put to work, this is that space.
All right. It's now time for Unboxing Solutions, which the segment is called Unbox Solutions With Me. That's what it's called. So, welcome to another Unbox Solutions with me, Coach Raquel. It's so good to be here with you. So, as I was saying earlier, it was just these two. Oh no, I've got it. I thought I didn't have it, but I've got it here. Let me see how many books I have here. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 books. 8 books. And these are not my only books. These are just some of my books. Oh my gosh, can you believe I'm an author? How did that happen? Lord, there is a God. I promise you, my life is an entire miracle. My life is unbelievable. There has to be a God for me to be here thriving. Let's go to the video. Ooh, so I get emotional. Let's go. Yeah. I share a link with you to all of these things. The link is in the bottom anyway. So that's a home stain remover. And you know what's funny? I was supposed to use it yesterday and I completely forgot. Yeah. I haven't used it yet, so I don't know how effective it is yet, but I want to use it in the sink, right, to restore just to remove some stains that are there. Yeah. Let me see if I'm actually going to share a link to my Amazon store is there. Is in the scroll. That's amazon.com/shop/UME radio. Yeah. But I'll also share it there. Let's see if I can. Yeah, so that was the stain remover, and now we're going to open the books. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Ah, look at this. Look at this. Wow. Yes. This is a gift for someone. Vaginal health gummies. Yeah. So that's a gift for someone. Now I'm opening my books. Oh my goodness, look at that. And the first book you're looking at is this one, Kelly's Christmas Arrival. And just to share a little bit about this book and why I wrote this book. So this book I wrote for to my mother, for my mama. Growing up without you left a quiet ache in my heart, a feeling of being unwanted, unseen, and unloved by the person whose love I longed for the most. But as the years passed, and even more after your death, I began to understand how hard you tried and how many of your signals of love I simply could not see. I often wished I knew how you truly felt about me as a child. I wished we had warm. Hang on, let me pause it. Right. I often wished I knew how you truly felt about me as a child. I wished we had warm, beautiful Christmases together, moments filled with joy, tenderness, and belonging. So this book is my offering a new memory, a hopeful fantasy, a story I now share with you, so that what I remember is not the sad times, but the love we were still finding our way toward. This is for you, Mama. That's for my mama. That one. Yeah. The things that shape the way we love and the way we receive love. It's funny because of my experience of when I say to you just now, I wished I knew how she felt about me as a child. I feel like every time I enter any kind of relationship, any kind, I'm always questioning, does this person really like me? Does this person really want to be around me? Does this person really want to be here? And I'm praying for the day when I have the kind of experience that makes me never ask again, because I know I'm wanted. And it's not that I don't know I'm wanted. I know there are people in my life right now that have told me and have expressed themselves to me and stuff like that. But in my soul, I continue on my healing journey, because I know this is not something someone can give me. This is something I have to give myself. So I know it's me and me. It's me and me, and me and me and God. Yeah. Now let's go to the other book. So this one is my Christmas book. It's beautiful, and it's such a fun story, to be honest with you. I can't believe it was such fun. Yeah. And now this one is so important to me too, because this one is for Keith. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of him. I remember the first time he told me about writing a book. I think it was back in either 2019 or 2020, between 2019 and 2022. And I remember when he sent it to me. And it's funny because we decided I remember we were on a call when we were trying to figure out what to name the book, to title the book. It's called When Fun Is Not Funny. I'm at page 39. I would recommend this book to anyone. It's really it's truly an inspiring book. See, there it is. I'm at page 39 of reading it, right? I've been really, really busy, but I'm telling you, it's a book for teens and parents. This book right here, it really gives you a man's a window into a man's mind, and how do I put it? A view inside of a man's mind of how he thought as he grew from childhood, teenage years. It's like a window into the different essential periods of a man or boy's life. It really, really is a book that's worth, especially being in the education sector and for parents. Now that one is oh my gosh, the book I was telling you about. Dear Little Black Girls. Oh my gosh, the book I wrote for myself. This book is for the little girl in me. This book is I really think this book is, please get a copy of this book if you have a young daughter. Please get a copy of this book for her. Young Black girls, there's so much negative content out there around young Black girls, but this book it's like a collection of affirmations to inspire her. To every little Black girl, yesterday, today, and tomorrow, may these letters remind you that you are loved, chosen, called, and becoming. This is your inheritance of joy. I'm telling you, it's just a book that I think every little Black girl should have a copy of this book. It's easy to read, so when they pick it up, they don't have to read the entire book. You just pick it up and you read one. Let me share one with you. So for example, this one says, all right, look at those books. I'm so proud. I'm really proud of myself. I'm really, truly proud, so proud of myself. And I'm so proud of you, Keith, for writing that book. We need to hear from Black men, strong Black men who are positive minded, and the story, the When Fun Is Not Funny, this book, what I really, really like about this book is it's like going into a man's mind to kind of get a view of what were his thoughts as a teenager, as a child. What was his thoughts as a teenager? What was his thoughts as a young adult? What were his thoughts as he got older? And what are his thoughts now that he's in his 50s? It's this journey through the mind of a young, it's a journey through the mind of a Black man. that is what, even though he's telling you his story, it is not, it's a positive story. It's an inspirational, positive journey that you're going on, even with all the experiences that are shared, and to know that he was the way he was brought up, kind of grounded in godliness and a sense of principle, you know what I mean, and discipline. It's I'm telling you, this one is one to get, especially for you, especially if you have a son, a teenager, or a young adult who's a man, who's a black man. And I'm not saying other races can't purchase it, but the author is a black man, and I really think there's a need for positive male influences now. So I think it would be good. So anyway, I was sharing with you. So I'm just going to open one and just share one, so you have an idea of of what it entails. All right. So just open the book. They can just open the book. This is not a storybook. It's not a book where you read from front to back. No, it's each page is the beginning and the end of that. Right? It's affirmations, it's inspiration, it's a note towards empowerment, and upliftment and decision, and choosing a positive way out of whatever you're going through. So this one, I'm just going to read these two for you. So the first one says, Coach Raquel says, "Dear little black girl, guard your emotions edition. 10 lessons to cultivate emotional intelligence and protect your peace." And this book, the digital copy of this, the digital versions of this are on my website, mycoachministry.com. And then the first one here now that I'm going to share with you, it says, "Dear little black girl, guard your joy. Share slowly with those who prove gently." See? That's it. Share slowly with those who prove gently. Just like that. Thank you so much for staying with me so far. Thank you for staying with me so far. This has been Unbox Solutions with me. Let's now move on to our next segment.
Gospel Foundation International Healing Ministries is a Bible-based ministry. Through worship, prayer, and deliverance, we help individuals find restoration. We equip believers to build stronger families and healthier communities. Footprints of Faith Radio shares real stories of healing and hope. Bible Talk for Children helps kids develop strong moral foundations. Apply for sponsored digital advancement support for growing your reach. Your support makes this possible. We're aiming for a $500 monthly goal. Support, partner, or give today at gfihministries.org/give.
It's a place that's real. I love to open new packages. I want to deliver the latest information on the top funding opportunities for entrepreneurs who are seeking funding. Come along with me. I'm Coach Raquel, and this is a passion project for me, so I'm so happy to bring this to you. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for watching.
Welcome to mycoachministry.com. We're on a mission to empower 1 million purpose-driven entrepreneurs, turning calling into currency. Through strategic coaching, we guide visionary leaders, brand elevation, and creative empowerment, helping leaders break barriers and own their identity. Build impactful, wealth-generating brands that echo across generations.
Unlock your potential every Thursday with our podcast, Refresh, Relax, Renew. Join Coach Raquel as she guides you through personal development journeys. Each episode focuses on actionable steps to enhance your personal journey. The podcast features 3 main segments to keep you engaged. We start with discussions on trending topics relevant to your growth. Then we unbox solutions to common challenges we face daily. Finally, stay updated with fresh funding opportunities each week. Tune in every Thursday for new episodes, and see you there.